Now question number 2, we have show that the line represent a coincident lines. Okay, so equation we have given, that is x square plus 6xy plus 9y square, which is equal to 0. This we have to check whether they are coincident or not. So you will comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So you will get a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 6, so h is equal to 3. Okay, and b is equal to 9. Consider, because we have to check h square is equal to h square minus ab. So h square minus ab, that is 3 square minus 1 into 9. So 9 minus 9, which is equal to 0. So h square minus ab is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equal to 0. Represent a coincident line. Now question number 3. Okay, we have to find the values of k if the equation represent a perpendicular to each other. That means in the equation containing, that is kx square, this is kx square plus 4xy minus 4y square equal to 0 represent a perpendicular lines. So you will write comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Therefore you can write a is equal to k, 2h is equal to 4, so h is equal to 2, and b is equal to minus 4. Since line represent a perpendicular to each other, therefore a plus b is equal to 0. Now you can substitute k plus minus 4 is equal to 0, so k minus 4 is equal to 0, so k is equal to 4. Okay, this we have to identify. Now question number 4. First one, we have to identify the angle between the two lines when the two lines are intersecting, whose combined equation is given. So we have the combined equation 3x square minus 4 root 3 xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Now we have to identify the angle between this. So we can first compare comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now I can compare. So a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 4 root 3, so h is equal to minus 2 root 3, and b is equal to 3. Okay, now we know that tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay, this is the formula. Now we can substitute the value, that is mod of 2 root h square, that is minus 2 root 3 square minus cb, that is 3 into 3 upon 3 plus 3 mod 2 square is 4 into 3 minus 9 upon 6. Now this will give you 2 root 12. 12 minus 9 is upon 6. This you can solve, that is 2 root 3 upon 6. 2 ones are 3. Then this you can write as root 3 into root 3, so it would become root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. This will get cancelled, so finally we will get tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay, so we know that tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3 is tan 30. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 6 in terms of radian. Okay, this is radian. Okay, this is the way how to solve. Similarly, second, third and fourth that you can solve. Okay.